thanks a lot, Shruti Shah, for the lovely insights and this astromancy that you mentioned and the genetics. Till now, you were just thinking, vaguely, and felt that it is not. But yes, scientifically, if we look at it, they are there. All these things, because as a human being, we are not in compartments. If you take 360-degree personality, so it is composed of all these things, including our genes, the signs that we are born with, and certain traits that, like a person, someone has an abundant amount of sixth sense. Someone doesn't even doesn't have enough common sense to sort of fathom the next step, whereas another person can visualize, far-sighted. So all these are there, and I'm so happy to be we need in children, because this is what we as parents and teachers, we want to give them more tailwind so that they don't encounter headwind as they move on in life. As वो कहते हैं ना कि बदल जाओ वक्त के साथ, या वक्त बदलना सीखो, मजबूरियों को मत कोसो, हर हाल में चलना सीखो. So that is what these children are doing.